I'm getting closer to going back to school.
L'amour s'écrit sous les ponts, les cœurs se réunissent. Vive lumière, éclaire nos vies. Dans tes bras, on oublie nos soucis. Au beau Paris, où l'amour s'écrit sous les ponts, les cœurs se réunissent. Éclaire nos vies, dans tes bras, on oublie nos soucis. Oh beau Paris, la 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 lou, la 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 lou, la 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 lou. Oh beau Paris, la 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 lou, la 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 lou.
Hi guys! So, I don't usually shower right when I wake up and do my skincare and do my makeup, but today I have a lot of work to do. I have photos to shoot for a brand, videos to film and edit, and I have to go out. So I decided to just start my morning right, and actually chill pa to kasi wala ko masyadong magawa because of the weather. And by the way, I hope you guys stay safe and dry, and I'll put links in the description below for hotlines in case some of you guys need help or you know anyone who needs help. So going to get ready now. So I'm going to Chica before I continue getting ready, because when I get ready I want to watch videos because I find it therapeutic. But yeah, what's on my mind right now? I feel like I'm getting a little bit anxious by the day because I'm getting closer to going back to school, and I don't know why I get anxious when I talk about or think about school. I think it's also because of the professors that I had before. Some of the people I met make it seem like impossible and make you want to give up na lang, and that's not a good trait to have, especially when you're trying to inspire students, diba? I think you need role models, you need older people, you need like professors who have goodness and kindness to their heart and who actually love what they're doing, to be able to inspire and do whatever they can to make it, I guess, bearable for the kids, for the students. Kasi 4 years lang to and we're supposed to be enjoying our college life. But this year, I'm going to try to vlog more here sa YouTube and sa TikTok, my college life, because sobrang bilis lang nito and time flies by when you're in college. So I want to make the most out of it and not complain every single day when I wake up. Yeah, I'm going to get ready now and I'll see you guys later when I'm all done up. It got gloomy again. Oh my gosh, how am I literally going to film the things I need to film? Anyway, basa pa yung buhok ko. But I'm going to journal and do my quiet time sa Bible app, and I'll show you how I do it. This is the gratitude journal, also known as the 5-minute journal. So I haven't been able to be consistent with this nung matagal na because kapag summer I get out of my routine and it's so hard to go back. So today our quote is, "We don't build services in order to make money, we make money in order to build better services," by Mark Zuckerberg. Okay, so I'm going to write on this and I'll tell you what I write right after. Okay, so sinulatan ko yung sa morning part pa lang because later pa itong sa baba. It says, I am grateful for ... and you have to write 3 things. So the 2 of the things I wrote are slow mornings and my comfy, cozy bed or room. And what would make today great? Finish my tasks, my work, matcha, and starting a new book. I just finished the book that my cousins gave me yesterday. Actually, simula nung na-upload ko yung last vlog ko, I already finished 2 more books and I'm going to start one today. And it also has daily affirmations. I am ... and you can write anything you want. You can write, I'm beautiful, I'm smart, and just things to make you feel better. And so yeah, I'm going to write mamayang gabi. And now I'm going to go on my Bible app. I have a physical Bible naman, guys, but recently I have been using my Bible app more because it's more convenient and mas mabilis makahanap ng mga verses and and every day it gives you a different verse from the Bible, and from there you can do a quiet time sa verse na yon, and it makes it easy and convenient for us to do it because after ng verse, merong isang person or merong video na mag-explain, which is a quick video lang, like 1 to 2 minutes, and then it gives you 4 to 6 minutes to do your quiet time and just reflect and think and pray. So yeah, I'm going to do this right now and I'll be back. By the way, this is my Bible if any one of you are curious, and if you want to buy this cute pink Bible, I'll also put a link in my description box. It's so cute. Okay, I'll get back to you guys. Toodles! So it says here that as children of God, we should be the light to others. And it also says here that when we choose to love others, we are showing them the light and love of Jesus. The most illuminating act of all is loving people like Jesus. Cutie. Guys, I'm going to make myself a matcha because I need to wake up, and for me to be able to wake up, it's not coffee, it's matcha. Let's go. Okay, I am back and I have my matcha here with me. Ugh. Oh my gosh, thank you, Lord. Anyway, I am going to start a new book because I just finished 2 books already and I want to start another one today. Ang tagal ko nang nakatulala kagabi pa sa shelves ko because I do not know which book I want to read next. Saglit lang guys, hinihingal pa ako. So I have here Wild Love, I have 7 Year Slip, I have another Abby Jimenez, but I don't want to start that series first. Gusto ko munang tapusin yung Part of Your World series. I have Happily Never After, I have Betting on You, Meet Me at the Lake, Every Summer After, Love Theoretically, Book Lovers, Funny Story. I don't know if I showed you guys, but I ordered Funny Story because ito yung pinaka-latest release ni Emily Henry and I've got to have my hands on this. The cover is so beautiful. It's also velvety. Look at the spine. Oh my gosh! It's so cute. I want to read this next, but ayoko ubusin lahat ng mga feeling ko 5-star. Since I cannot decide for myself, I made a poll on Instagram asking you guys which one I should read. So I took a picture of 2 books, which are ito. I want to read Happily Never After because I feel like that's going to be a quick read lang and it's not going to put me in a slump because I just want to read about a billionaire and yeah, so hintayin natin yung result ng poll. Siguro, hintayin ko siya for 1 hour and then we're gonna go with yung result after 1 hour. It has been 30 minutes and I cannot wait any longer. I want to read na. So, let's look at my Instagram and see ano yung winner sa poll natin sa IG. If you also want to participate sa mga ganitong poll, you can follow me on Instagram at Denise Julia, EEAA. Oh my gosh! So the winner is Wild Love by 1 vote. So Wild Love got 51% and Happily Never After got 49%. Oh! So we are going to read this chunky book. That's the end of this vlog. I will see you in my next one. Toodles!